All right, we are here at the Lorimont Place in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. This is a little outdoor shopping mall. And back in here, we have an elevator. Now, what's kind of funny about this elevator is I've actually been riding this elevator for over 10 years, and I've taken multiple videos of it. So I think it's about time to actually upload this elevator to YouTube. Let's go up to 2. And back down to 1. That was a nice little Dover elevator. And actually back here is a fairly large parking garage. So just one little additional thing here at the end. I came upstairs to take some pictures, and I noticed that we have an up button on the 2nd floor. So just thought that was kind of funny. So anyway, that is it for good this time.